Hey guys, welcome back to Special Adventures. We're coming back. It's me and, I can't rotate the camera, but Keegan today. We're rebuilding his sled. We got his Jag 340. The engine blew. Well, he doesn't know how to keep oil in it, so he ran out of oil, but hold on, I'll turn the camera around and show you guys some more. So this is what we're working with right now. We already threw the new pistons in it. Those are the brand new pistons right there. Brand new pistons, rings, gaskets. I don't remember which cylinder it was, but one of them got bored out.
That one.
This one? Yeah, this one right here had to get bored out because it was pretty scratched up because he ate a ring because she kind of got overheated.
We never bored it. We just acid washed it.
Oh, I don't care what you did. So, yeah, we're going to throw this back together. I'll get back to you guys when we have the heads bolted down.
Once we find all the washers.
Yeah, it's been sitting for like 3 months, so parts are everywhere. So, we'll get back to you guys. Getting the last couple bolts on the left cylinder. And then, well, the head. And then, after that, I think we're pretty much done. What?
What do those go to?
They're probably extra bolts, dude.
I can
We've torn apart like two or three engines on that
were
thing.
in a pile with the rest of the parts. I can tell you right now, it's not extra parts.
One of these, maybe? Your studs? I don't know. Yeah, probably your studs.
Oh, that's great. Because these are the only two bolts that look like that. And the nuts that look like
Cool,
that.
well, I have an entire box of them from my old engine.
The one that we robbed the washers from.
Dude, why is this camera so close up? I don't like it.
Is it zoomed in or something?
Yeah, it's like the iPhone cameras are always ultra zoomed in.
Alright. I think we actually did something right.
Let's put a little bit of oil down cylinders and slowly pull it over. See how she is. Hold it all down the front of your engine.
Dude.
We want them to be ultra lubed. Give her a little slow pull.
Inside, not the outside.
Oh shoot, that's upside down.
Do we have compression on both cylinders? That's
You do on that one. Next. Try a little more. There was a little bit of compression, but yeah, you have compression.
Kinda.
Better in this one though. Hold on, let me just.
Did you see the friggin'
Do it. Okay.
So, yeah, we put the carb manifold thing on. I don't know what the hell it's called, but that thing, and that thing didn't go on. And that thing needs to go on that thing. So we're going to bed because we give up.
Well, we'll see you in the morning. Have a good night, guys.
What the hell?
Okay, guys, it's morning. Or, yes, still technically morning. We slept in a little bit, but, we're here. Again.
This needs to go between there. But somebody decided he was going to pound this manifold on and strip all the studs out.
No, only this stud, because this one's, like, bent or something right here. So, we had, I figured rubber mallet, so it's on there. And that's now the problem. We didn't plan on taking it apart for a hot minute, so we're
also
gonna
have to figure out which side goes where.
You know, I miss my tripod, guys. It'd make it a lot better content, not gonna lie. It's probably gonna be like a complete
which side
ass.
goes where?
That side, look.
That's exhaust side because it's all fucking black.
Oh, yeah. I thought you meant like this, like it goes like this here. So, yeah, we're gonna take that back off, and then maybe I'll find somewhere to set you guys so that you can watch, but I don't know about that. So yeah, we'll get back to you guys in a little bit, probably. But yep. Okay guys, so I got the intake back on. He's working on the exhaust gasket something. I'm gonna put the spark plugs back in, make sure she has some compression. Compression day. So we're gonna see if it has compression. So have any compression.
Oh yeah.
She's got compression.
Is it blowing oil right out the exhaust?
Try gun?
Yes.
Oh yeah, because I filled the cylinders with oil, so not bad, it's just leaking. That was from last night. Don't think that just all came out of there, or we would have had issues. Not yet, Keegan. It's not quite live. Okay, well, we're gonna finish getting the exhaust on. I'll see if I can record any of it. I don't know. So, yeah, she should be a goer soon. Hasn't taken that long. Well, yeah, we're just gonna say that.
Probably shouldn't do it over the top of the motor.
It doesn't matter. Nothing's exhaust is open, but. Okay guys, we got it back together. We got the fuel into the carb by pulling it over a couple times because it's on empty. Got the one exhaust spring on, so that means it's good to go. It's not completely together yet. We still gotta put like the metal stuff on, but it's good to try and start. So choke her out probably. Here we go. That's right, boys. We got an exhaust leak in all those springs. She runs good. Hey guys, it's the next day because we didn't feel like recording last night. And yeah, this is just the Jag. I think we finished putting everything under the hood. Other than the hood latch, but the vice grips work just minty. So the engine's completely back together.
It has oil in
It
it.
has oil on, like when you blew it up. Brand new windshield. Brand new tail light. And soon to be a new seat cover. Runs great. Haha, let's hear it.
You think it'll first pull? I doubt it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the Jag 340. So yeah, that's it for this video, I guess. Thanks for watching. That's Keister.
Bye.
We'll see you next time.